Are bugs, mice, or creepy crawlies invading your home and driving you crazy? Don't worry, you're not alone. But before you go reaching for toxic sprays or calling pest control for the 100th time, what if I told you there's a smarter, cleaner, and way more affordable solution? Today, we're counting down the top 5 ultrasonic pest repellers, the absolute best plug-in devices that are changing the game in pest control. Whether you're looking for something ultra-quiet, pet-safe, or just flat-out powerful, I've got the perfect pick for you. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to see which one came out on top because the #1 choice completely blew me away. So plug in, sit back, and let's find out which repeller is going to kick those unwanted guests out of your home for good. 5. PMAG Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Alright, let's kick things off with the PMAG, which is honestly perfect if you're just looking for a reliable option to keep your home pest-free without much hassle. This little gadget uses advanced ultrasonic waves that target the nervous systems of common pests like mice, roaches, and even spiders, basically making your home a no-go zone for creepy crawlies. What I love about the PMAG is how user-friendly it is. You just plug it into any standard outlet and it gets to work instantly. No chemicals, no cleanup, no fuss. It even operates silently, so you don't have to worry about any background noise, which is a huge plus for light sleepers or people who just want peace and quiet. Now, if you're someone who doesn't want to deal with dead bugs lying around, this is definitely a solid pick. It doesn't kill the pests, it just drives them away, which is great for families that want a humane solution. Plus, it's totally safe to use around pets and kids, which is a big win in my book. It covers a decent area, about 1,600 square feet, so it's awesome for bedrooms, kitchens, or even small apartments. And it comes in a 2-pack, so you can set them up in multiple rooms without breaking the bank. A lot of users have mentioned noticing a significant drop in pest activity in just a few days, especially near windows and doors where bugs usually sneak in. You can even double up and use more than one in a larger space to really boost its effectiveness. Speaking of bank, the price is super reasonable. You can grab the Pimag for around $29.99 for the set, and honestly, for the peace of mind it brings, that's a steal. You won't notice any annoying noise or blinking lights either. It's super discreet. The build quality feels sturdy and not like some cheap plastic device, which I definitely appreciate. So if you're just getting started with ultrasonic pest control, this is a great entry-level pick that actually works without being high maintenance. 4. NexKey Ultrasonic Repeller. Next up is the NexKey, and this one stands out for being one of the safest and most versatile options on the list. If you've got pets, babies, or sensitive electronics at home, you're gonna love this. NexKey's upgraded model doesn't just blast one ultrasonic frequency. It uses a constantly changing wave pattern to prevent pests from adapting. That means smarter, longer-lasting protection against rodents, insects, and even bats. Yes, bats. One of the biggest selling points here is the built-in safety chip that automatically adjusts frequencies so they won't interfere with Wi-Fi signals, baby monitors, or your pet's hearing range. It also has an LED nightlight built in, which is a nice little bonus for hallways or kids' rooms. Each unit covers up to 1,800 square feet, and it's energy efficient, so you can keep it running 24/7 without worrying about a huge electricity bill. Another cool feature is its flame-retardant casing, which makes it a great choice for anyone concerned about fire safety. It's small details like that which really make this repeller stand out. You can find the NexKey in a 4-pack for about $39.99, which breaks down to roughly $10 per unit. Not bad for a product that puts safety first without sacrificing effectiveness. The compact size makes them easy to place in hard-to-reach areas, and since they emit no smell, no sound, and no residue, they're basically maintenance-free. If you're the kind of person who double-checks labels for ingredients and is careful about what's around your pets, this one's definitely going to give you some peace of mind while still kicking pests to the curb. It's truly designed for those who want top-notch protection without having to compromise on household safety or performance. 3. Bell Plus Howell Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Coming in at number 3 is the Bell Plus Howell, which is hands down the best if you're sensitive to noise or just want something super quiet and low-key. What makes this one special is its upgraded ultrasonic tech that operates completely silently. There's no hum, no buzz, no weird sounds. It's like having a pest control ninja doing all the dirty work while you sleep. It's honestly ideal for anyone who wants to keep their space pest-free without sacrificing peace and quiet. Plus, because there are no moving parts or fans, it's less likely to wear down over time. This thing is built to last. Bell Plus Howell has been in the game for a while, and their reputation definitely backs this product. It covers around 1,000 square feet per unit, so it's ideal for smaller spaces like dorms, offices, or studio apartments. It's also a great option if you live in a rental or can't use sprays or traps. The repellers come in a pack of 6, which means you're well equipped to cover every room that matters. A lot of people also use these in garages, basements, or even RVs because they're so compact and easy to move around. And because they're plug and play, there's no app or settings to deal with. Just plug it in and go. Plus, you can grab a 6-pack for around $39.95, which is a great value for the amount of coverage you get. If you hate clutter or anything that draws attention, this one's your vibe. The sleek design doesn't stand out on your wall, and it's pet-safe and eco-friendly too. This is the kind of pest repeller that just quietly gets the job done. No flashing lights, no fuss. So if you've tried others and they were too noisy or distracting, or just didn't look good in your space, this Bell Plus Howell model might be your go-to. It's the kind of set-it-and-forget-it solution that busy people really appreciate. 2. Psywin Ultrasonic Pest Control. Alright, let's talk about the Psywin Upgraded Ultrasonic Pest Control, which totally wins the design category. I mean, if you're someone who cares about aesthetics and doesn't want your pest repeller to look like a random sci-fi gadget sticking out of your wall, this one is sleek. It's got a modern, compact build with a subtle glow light that actually adds a bit of style to your space. You could almost mistake it for a mini air freshener. It just blends right in. But it's not just a pretty face. Psywin packed this thing with serious power. It uses dual ultrasonic emitters to create a 360-degree protection zone, making it harder for pests to find a safe corner to hide. It's especially effective against ants and cockroaches, which can be tough to deal with, especially in older homes or places with lots of nooks and crannies. And unlike many other repellers that focus on a straight-line output, Psywin's omnidirectional design ensures there's no weak spot in the room. Each device covers about 2,000 square feet, and because it blends in so well, it's perfect for living rooms, entryways, or even your home office. It's ideal for open-concept spaces where you want something subtle but powerful. And let's be real, sometimes you just want a pest control device that doesn't scream, "I have a bug problem." This one keeps things classy while doing its job. It also features a heat-resistant shell, which adds a layer of safety for extended use. You can snag a 2-pack of the Siwin 2025 for around $34.99, which is totally fair considering you're getting both form and function. Plus, with its durable construction and energy-efficient circuitry, you're looking at long-term performance without the need to constantly replace or reset anything. If you're trying to keep your space stylish and pest-free at the same time, this is the way to go. 1. Haycone Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. And finally, taking the top spot is the Haycone Upgraded Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Honestly, this one just does everything right. It's powerful, stylish, super easy to use, and it works like a charm. The Haycone uses the latest dual-chip ultrasonic technology, which not only covers a massive 2,300 square feet per unit, but also uses alternating frequencies to keep pests from getting used to the sound. Think of it like constantly changing the lock so nothing gets comfortable. It even has built-in surge protection, so it'll keep going strong even during power blips or storms, which is a huge plus if you live in an area with inconsistent electricity. It's safe for pets, non-toxic, and energy efficient, so it ticks all the right boxes. What really stands out here is the consistency. You'll start seeing results within a week or two, especially if you place them strategically in pest-prone areas. No dead bugs to clean up, no chemicals, and no weird smells. Just a peaceful, pest-free home. Plus, it has a cool little indicator light that lets you know it's working, without being distracting or too bright. And because it doesn't use any heat or emit fumes, you don't have to worry about damaging furniture or affecting indoor air quality. You can grab a 6-pack of the Haycone for around $49.99, which is honestly a great deal for the performance you're getting. Whether you're dealing with mice, roaches, mosquitoes, or even spiders, this one handles it all. The build is sleek but sturdy, and the repellers are compact enough to plug in behind furniture or appliances without sticking out awkwardly. It's the perfect blend of tech, power, and ease of use, making it the best overall pick for anyone who wants serious results without turning their home into a bug war zone. If you're after one solution that checks every box, Haycone is where it's at.